Mama, that sign is so big. Why does everyone love it?
That's the Hollywood sign. It's a symbol of the movie world. Los Angeles is the heart of the film and television industry.
This is the best taco ever. There's food from everywhere. I saw dumplings, burgers, and even mango on a stick. That's because Los Angeles has people from all over the world. It's one of the most diverse cities in the U.S.
Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. Ever dreamed of palm trees, movie magic, and endless sunshine? Buckle up, because today we're zipping into the sparkly world of Los Angeles, California. Lights, fun, and wow moments await!
Baba, look at the ocean. The waves are huge.
That's the Pacific Ocean. And we're in Los Angeles. People come here to surf, relax, and enjoy the sun.
So this city has beaches and palm trees? It's like a postcard.
Yep. Los Angeles is known for its warm weather. It is also known for its beautiful coastline. It's one of the most famous cities in California.
Mama, that sign is so big. Why does everyone love it?
That's the Hollywood sign. It's a symbol of the movie world. Los Angeles is the heart of the film and television industry.
Does that mean superheroes are made here?
In a way, yes. A lot of movies and shows are filmed in big studios right here.
So, Los Angeles is like a movie city?
Exactly. That's why people call it the entertainment capital of the world.
This is the best taco ever. There's food from everywhere. I saw dumplings, burgers, and even mango on a stick. That's because Los Angeles has people from all over the world. It's one of the most diverse cities in the U.S. So you can taste the whole world without even getting on a plane? Yup! Food trucks, festivals, and neighborhoods all show how many cultures live together here. Whoa! Los Angeles looks like stars fell to the ground.
That's because it's huge. More than 3 million people live here.
That's like 1 million houses, 1 million dogs, and maybe 1 million donuts.
Maybe. Los Angeles is spread out with neighborhoods, highways, and famous places like theme parks and stadiums.
But so many people must need a lot of stuff: water, energy, roads.
Exactly. That's why Los Angeles also works on big challenges like saving water and managing traffic.
Now it's the time for quiz. What is Los Angeles best known for? Option A, movie and television industry. Option B, farming and agriculture. Option A is correct. Many famous films and TV shows are made here. Which famous sign is located on a hill in Los Angeles? Option A, Hollywood. Option B, California. Excellent. Option A is correct. It's a giant white sign that spells a famous word. Which of these pictures shows a place you might see in Los Angeles? Option A, Hollywood sign. Option B, Statue of Liberty. Good job! Option A is correct. Hollywood sign is on a hill and often seen in movies and photos. Los Angeles is known for being cold and snowy most of the year. Is this statement true or false? This statement is false. The weather is usually sunny and warm in Los Angeles. Los Angeles is in the state of California. Is this statement true or false? Yes, this statement is true. It's one of the biggest cities in California. Good job, kids! Next time, we're heading where the deep dish pizza is cheesy and the fun never ends. Don't miss it! Until then, keep your eyes open for tall buildings and breezy winds. See you on our next Big City Blast! Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.